Hello, I'm dinafitriamurad from Bina Nusantara University. I would like to present my paper about recommendation system based on recognition of prior learning to support curriculum design in online higher education. For introduction, based on the policy of independent study and independent campus, students can participate in part of the study period and load from within the campus, as well as other outside the campus, so that they can complete all period and study loads as needed qualification. Why? Because the qualification is determined by the study program conducted through assessors. So, the study aims to find out how the recommendation system approach is used to predict recognition of prior learning assessments and provide support for curriculum development in tertiary institutions that can meet the learning needs of the digital community. The study also investigates how online learning support curriculum development in higher education to meet the learning needs of the digital society. The results of this study are expected to support a pedagogical approach from being teacher-centered to a multidimensional teaching model that is student-centered, community-oriented, and integrates important elements of RPL implementation into higher education management practice. And what the benefits of RPL? We know, added for the judging, RPL can give benefit for for individual, for education providers, employers, and government. As personal, education provider reduce time to certification, employer recruitment, and government efficient and effective system. As education provider can get benefit recognition of various type of learning. Then employer get benefit employee retention and motivation. And for government, agility in addressing skill shortage. As social, education provider get benefit increased access for a variety of learner. Then employer quality assurance and competitiveness and growth for governance. As economic, education provider can get enhanced relevant and currency of courses. And for employer, improve link with higher education and democracy and active citizenship for government. The study used research method for three. One, the analysis used as machine learning approach to predict the past learning outcomes of prospective students so that the result can provide recommendation for assessment result. And second, the study worked by experiment using several classification techniques to obtain the best model, namely the model that has the highest accuracy. And third, the final step is carried out by human assessment to provide justification for the result of the recommendation from the automated system. This is dataset structure. For example, in management study program, you can see all features in dataset. We use student outcome 1 until student outcome 8. The knowledge domain for scientific expertise and working skill. And in the right column or table, you can see example list of dataset. We use a large item data, then mapping to all learning objective. Then for label, we use accepted or rejected. Then you can see prediction of RPL models, graphic. You can see the graphic show the information based on accuracy and precision, recall, and F-measure using naive Bayes method, deep learning, generalized linear model, gradient boosted trace, and logistic regression. Then performance comparison between all models, the result, deep learning have highest accuracy, about 97.24%. Then measurement performance for deep learning, we can see deep learning performance have accuracy 97% with precision 95% and recall 100%. So the recommendation systems can be used to assist the assessment of past learning recognition, and that there are opportunities for the application of REXIS to predict learning outcomes. The result of this study indicate that the best prediction model with the highest accuracy as 97.24% in machine learning is the deep learning technique. The result of this study prove that the recommendation product produced by machine and those given by human or assessors are relatively the same. So I can enough for my presentation. Thank you.